Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another version of a 3D GONK. Now I'm just going to show you what products that I use, but they'll all be linked in the description anyway. So first you want to come in with your nude base. I use Rose Glow, and I'm just going to come in and just do his nose. I come in later on and just build up a little bit more, but you need it just so you know where you're going to place everything. And now I'm coming in with Mega White and Private Island. Just pick up a bit of each. And like in my previous videos, if you've seen, you just come in with small beads. And if you keep seeing me disappear, it's because I'm trying to heat it up with my heater because it's really cold again tonight. So you just put your beads on, and then you get a toothpick and you just keep stabbing it, and eventually it starts to look like hair. This is a trick that I learnt from Claire Wood, nail artist, and the GONK that I'm doing today is inspired by some that she's done. She really is amazing. She does have a channel on YouTube, so it would be good if you could go over and give her a like. So you just come in and keep doing this until it dries. So don't leave it if it's half wet still, because otherwise it will just mould together. So you need to keep going until it's pretty much dry. And just keep repeating that same step until you're happy with the placement. So I'll just leave you to watch this little bit. It does take a little while. I'd say this and the hat is the bit that takes the longest. So this GONK is inspired by Claire Wood, nail artist. She's really good. You should give her channel a look. Now I'll just come in and just build up the nose a little bit more. Just get a wet bead and just go over what you've already done before. So now I'm coming in with my normal acrylic brush, just so I can get a bigger bead. Just coming in with the Mega White. And now you just pat and swipe. That's the motions. So you swipe by the nose, because what you want to do is create a lip where the hat sits so that it's protruding off of the nose. So you just keep coming in, repeating the same step, and in a minute I'll show you a side view so that you can see what I mean. So you just come in, swipe, lift, and just create that opening. Now coming in with the second bead. I'm so sorry it got a bit blurry, but it does come back. There we go. And you just do exactly the same as what you did before in the first bit, but you make it into a point. You can keep going and adding more layers if you want to, but I've just done the 2. And you just keep swiping because you want to show that there's a fold in the hat. So you just keep coming down, patting down and swiping across. And then just move it into a point. Now just pick up another bead, and what you want to do with this one is just blend the edges in with the rest of the hat that you've done, and then create a little opening and just make the point of the fold, just so when you put the little ball on the end it shows that there's a fold, it's flapped over. Now I'm just coming in with a bead of rose glow and just creating some little hands, just so it looks like he's doing something. It's not just the head stuck on a nail. You just put a bead of acrylic on and then just create a little slit and then just push it out. Now here comes the liquid silver from Glitterbels. Took me a while to get this to focus. Pain in the bum. I'll just pick up a bead just for the ball on the end of his hat, and then I'll create something in his hand because I felt like he needed to be holding something. I tried to go for like a star kind of shape, like a glittery star. So here's the something in his hand. Now, you make of it what you will. I did my best, okay, people? It's meant to be kind of like a star. I think it does look like a bit of a star. But you know, you had to be holding something that looked a bit weird otherwise.
Jet planes in the night sky with you.
Now here I was debating whether to do something else. I felt like he looked a bit plain, so I decided to put a little bit of holly on his hat. So I just come in with a couple of beads of green acrylic and just make them look like leaves. You just put a bead on and then fan it out so it looks like a teardrop, and then just push out the edges. Where it's on white, it did leave a little bit of a green hue, but it soon wiped off with a little bit of monomer.
Oh, if only I could build a machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you.
Now coming in with Red Light District, and you'll see me keep coming in and out of shot in a minute, and that's just because I'm going in front of the heater. So you just pick up a tiny little ball and you just literally place it on. You don't really have to do anything with it because it just moulds into a ball itself, and then I'll put it in front of the heater so it sets quite quick. And just done 3 little balls. So here I didn't like the look of the matte behind, so I just came in with a little bit of top coat and just went over the matte and just made it shiny again, and then that was it. So I'll leave you to watch the rest and the photos. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment if you feel like I could do something better. Thank you so much.